Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while since I made a video regarding any of the bikes. Today I'm going to be working on the V2, and what we'll do today is install this seat hump or this cowl in the back here to replace this OEM one, and then it'll replace this passenger pillion with, where do I have it here? This guy here. Hopefully I put the rubber grommets or whatever those are correctly. In assessing this aftermarket part, we have four connection holes that we need to use the OEM connections on, and it looks like they are going to be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then of course I'll open this up, and as mentioned, I'll try my best to remove this today if I can, going through the 2 screws down here somewhere and the 4 screws that are here. Okay, that's where it goes. I'm gonna have to remove that. As you guys can see, I have to follow this and do that on the other one. I actually put this rubber piece down here, which is the wrong place. As you can see also from the top, there are 2 screws that we'll have to remove. Not sure if they're the same size as the bottom one, but on the Torx bit, this is a size 3 that I'm using. Make sure it's seated all the way in. That's good. Makes it a little bit difficult to do this while recording and talking at the same time. So kudos to all the other YouTubers who can do this seamlessly and make it look effortlessly. I guess maybe some post-production. Let's see. Loosen this. Come off easily as well. Of course, all V2 owners know this, that the compartment in here is very minimal. It's real estate space. I have my registration in here. I'm gonna have to change the license plate anyways. So yeah, that's all you get. So there's a notch in here that goes right there. Here you go. Here's the brackets. Maybe I'll paint them black to match the whole color scheme of the bike. As I mentioned, I installed the aero exhaust, and here's a cold start. I'm hoping it'll do it. Hey, so just wanted to share a quick thing with you guys. So when I was finishing up with the MV, doing this carbon fiber piece, the inlays inside, FedEx came by and dropped off this other tail cowl I ordered for the V2, which side by side, completely different. This is in gloss black with the red, with the vents, and it came with this guy, this piece right here, But this piece is two separate pieces and it doesn't have the Ducati logo, so I'll keep that one. I may swap it out a little bit later tonight. I'm going to go hang out with the family now, cook them dinner. Just because I think I like that one better. It's because it's gloss black and it has these vents on there. Just make it a little bit more unique than a standard one. In any case, I'll have two of them, which is pretty cool. So I thought that was just funny timing that I finished this one. I was working on the MV, and as I was wrapping up, FedEx came by and dropped off this guy for me. Just wanted to share that. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. And